Earlier last month, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman wrote in his Power On newsletter that Apple is apparently actively developing true augmented reality glasses, hoping to launch them before Meta's Orion glasses release. Right now, the major AR glasses on the market include the Magic Leap 2, X-Ro 1, and Ray Neo Air 3S. The main issues with these are that they're pretty bulky, have small fields of view, and don't offer many compelling experiences, mostly because the user base is still pretty small. Last year, Meta showed off their Orion glasses, a look into their future AR lineup with a wider FOV and more immersive 3D experiences. For both Meta and Apple, there are unfortunately no rumored release dates for their AR glasses, but they're most likely releasing in the next few years. This is mainly because cramming all the necessary tech into a small form factor is still really expensive and complicated. Whenever Apple does release their AR glasses, the first gen model will likely cost a pretty penny, similar to the Vision Pro. Future versions should be cheaper and smaller as the tech matures. Before launching these AR glasses though, they're reportedly working on regular smart glasses to compete with the Meta Ray-Bans. I actually own the Meta smart glasses, and they're great for taking photos on the go without needing to pull my phone out. Apple seems to be thinking about omitting that feature though, according to Gurman. He thinks that this is because Apple doesn't want any privacy issues if people can't tell that you're recording them, and they also want people to be using iPhones to take photos, which are both kinda dumb reasons, but I guess it's their call in the end. The Meta Ray-Ban glasses have a light indicator on the front so that people can know when you're recording, so there wouldn't really be any privacy issues if Apple just implemented that. The main features for these glasses would likely be visual intelligence and an upgraded Siri. There's no official timeline for these non-AR glasses, but Gurman previously said that they're aiming for 2027. Overall, I'm way more excited about Apple's AR glasses and how they'll stack up against Meta's whenever those release. I'm not too hyped for the non-AR ones, especially since I already own the Meta Ray-Bans, and AR is just way cooler, like what we're seeing with the X-Ro 1 and Snap spectacles. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.